Hello and welcome to Vibe Design. I'm Royi Benyossef and I'll take you on my journey to learn the new tools of vibe coding and vibe design and to build a website for my fictitious VC fund. It's going to be fun, I promise. I'm also trying a new format. I'll be playing around with various tools at the same time, and whenever I find something that I think is cool, I'm going to make a short video and upload it here, organized by playlist. This segment is part of the Anima series. As a reminder, Anima allows you to import design from Figma and then edit it with vibe coding. Now let's try and replace the mobile logo on the right here with the logo of the fictitious VC fund. So I'm putting in the text, change the image of the phone on the right with tab capital logo. It says now we need to make sure that tab capital logo image is available on the project. Oh, it's actually helping me. That's amazing. Let's see how we do that. It's actually simpler than it looks. We open up and we look for the image that we want, that I created in Gemini, by the way. And then we say host the attached file as tab capital logo. And we see what happens. Certainly, I'll host the attached TBD capital logo image. Yeah, look at that. It changed the image. And how about that for a second episode? Not only did we make structural changes, we also got help from the IDE because we did something wrong. Let's see what's next.